everyone, this is a video on how to add a consumable to your Bluehound account. So essentially, a consumable is something that's just not a power tool. So maybe it's shovels, maybe it's safety equipment, something that you're going to probably use once or a few times, and then eventually you're going to get rid of them. So first, we're going to log in to our Bluehound account, and we're going to get to the home page. Then from there, we're going to navigate over to the left-hand bar right here where it says Consumables. We're going to click on that. And then you can see I already have shovels in here. And I have 53 available and 10 are assigned to a truck right now. So let's say we want to add a new consumable to our list. What we're going to do is we're going to go down to the plus sign down here. We're going to hit Create Consumable. And then we're going to first start by putting in the consumable name. So let's say we're going to put in safety glasses, something that you need for the job site. Consumable descriptions is pretty self-explanatory for this one, but if you want to write a long description, maybe you want to put in a number like of the actual product so you know for ordering purposes. So let's just pretend that our number for our product is just 18 glasses. Not 18 glasses, that doesn't work. Let's say like 180976. Brand, we will put the brand in. Let's pretend it's Bosch. The inventory number, so the inventory number is just the number that you want. So if you scroll over here, you can see the little I for information. If you're unsure what any of these are, you can always scroll over to the side right here. And in this field, you enter the inventory number of your consumable, which has been assigned to it within your company. So if you don't have a number, Bluehound will automatically create ascending numbers. So if we don't have a number, since I have one already, this would be number 2. So we will just put number 2. But Bluehound will automatically put a number if we don't have one. Total quantity, let's say we have 100. Minimum quantity is how many that you have to have at any time. So safety glasses, you don't want to run out. Like if you run out, then obviously you're going to have some problems getting to the job site and getting anything done. So let's say the minimum quantity we want is 10. Where does it belong to? It will belong to, so the consumables, they can either be at the warehouse, the job site, they can be in a job box, whatever it belongs to. So the consumable needs to be assigned to a warehouse, not a job box, but just a warehouse or job site before setting sub-assignments for amount of consumables. So we'll say it belongs to the job site, Bosch Power Tools. Then we just hit save, and there we go. If you want to edit your consumable that you already made, we will go over to the right-hand corner right here to this little pen button that says Edit Consumable. And you can always go back in and change any of this as needed. If you want to delete it, you can go here. Same thing, go to the pen, hit Delete Consumable. Do you want to delete? Yes, I do. And then we can delete it. Right now, this one I have assigned to the truck. If I want to edit the assigned location, then I would hit that, and then I will see assignment location 4, minimum quantity 5, shovels have to be on the truck at all times, amount to consume, return, amount to return, you can put all those things, and again, if you don't know what any of these mean, you can just scroll over right here to the little I on the side. If you want to add an attachment, you can go right here, add an attachment to the shovel, maybe it's just the purchase receipt, or it's the pricing information or just the spec sheet on them, whatever you want. Right here, we can scroll down. We can see all the information right here. So it belongs to the warehouse, the brand, description, and everything we just wrote down. I can also add a picture if you want. So you just hit picture and then you put in your picture that you have on your desktop. It's being a little slow. So yeah, it goes right there. If you want to print it out, that's another thing you can do. You can print out this information. And other than that, that's basically it for consumables.